Hello and hi viewers. Welcome to Raman Tutorials for English channel. Friends, please like, share, comment and support our great endeavor. Let's see general knowledge part 2 video India's superlatives. So let's get started. The longest river bridge in India. The longest river bridge in India is the Dola Satya Bridge in Assam, and it is also called Bhupan Hazarika Bridge. The 19.15-kilometer long bridge is built over river Lohit, which is tributary of the Brahmaputra river. The long bridge connects Assam and Arunachal Pradesh and reduces the travel time between Arunachal Pradesh and Assam by 5 hours. Since the bridge is constructed very close to India's border with China, it will help in quick movement of military troops and artillery in times of conflict. The bridge strengthens India's defense requirement along the borders. So next, let's see the next point. Longest sea bridge of India. Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link. The Bandra-Worli Sea Link or Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link in Mumbai is the longest sea bridge of India. Connects Bandra with Worli across the Mahim Bay, a part of Arabian Sea. The Bandra-Worli Sea Link was officially named as Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link in July 2009. This bridge shortens the journey from Mahim to Mumbai with 4.7 km and shortens the travel time to only 6 minutes. Next, let's see the longest railway bridge in India. Longest railway bridge in India is in Kerala. The Vembanad Rail Bridge is located in the state of Kerala and it connects Idapalli and Vallarpadam and Kochi. Vembanad Rail Bridge is the longest rail bridge in India with a total length of 4.62 km. The railway line bridge is dedicated for only goods train and traffic is 15 trains per day. Next, let's see the longest train route. Diberg Kanyakumari Vivek Express is the longest train in India and its running time is 82 hours 50 minutes, that is 3.5 days. It gives 56 scheduled stops. Vivek Express starts from Assam and goes all the way to the southern tip of India to Kanyakumari, and it covers total of 4,280.6 kilometers from Diberg to Kanyakumari. Imsagar Express is the second longest train from Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu to Sri Mata Vaishnavi Devi Katra, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Distance travelled is 3,787 km. Average journey time is 71 hours 36 minutes. Yes, next let's see the longest highway tunnel. Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Tunnel, also known the Shyama Tunnel, and earlier it was known as the Chennai Nasri Tunnel, is a road tunnel in India, territory of Jammu and Kashmir on NH 44. It was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji on 2nd April 2017. It is India's longest tunnel with a length of 9.28 km and it is the first tunnel in India with a fully integrated tunnel control system. The tunnel reduces the distance between Jammu and Kashmir by 30 km and travel time by 2 hours. Next, let's see the next point. Yes, the longest platform in the world. A newly renovated platform at Gorakhpur railway station in Uttar Pradesh is the world's longest measuring railway platform, measuring 1355.4 meter long platform. So until recently, Garavpur in Indian state of West Bengal was the longest platform at 1072 meter, but now it is Gorapur Junction station in Uttar Pradesh with 1355.4 meter. Next, let's see the longest railway tunnel. Pirpanjal Railway Tunnel is the longest railway tunnel. Pirpanjal Railway Tunnel is also known as Banihal Railway Tunnel, located in Pirpanjal range of Himalayas in Jammu and Kashmir. The Pirpanjal Tunnel, which is 11.215 kilometers long, that is a 7-mile long, is the longest railway tunnel of India, and there is a 3-meter wide long road long the length of the tunnel for the maintenance of railway tracks and emergency relief. And next, let us see the longest, yes, national highway, the longest national highway. NH44 covers the north south corridor of NHDP and it is officially listed as running over 3,745 km from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. NH44 highway has come into being by merging 7 major national highways. It covers the entire nation and connects 11 states and about 30 important cities with each other. It passes through Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Let's see the next point. Yes. Here comes. The largest auditorium. The Shanmukananda Hall in Mumbai is the largest auditorium in India. The main objectives of the Sabha is to promote the fine arts. There are 1,462 seats on the ground floor and the total seating capacity is 2,673. The lighting and sound systems of this hall are excellent. Next, let's see the largest lake. Walar Lake is one of the freshwater lakes in Asia and it is sited in Bandyapura district in Jammu and Kashmir. The lake lies at an altitude of 1580 meter and its maximum depth is 14 meters. The largest cave temple, situated about 30 kilometers from the city Aurangabad in Maharashtra. The rock cave temple of Ellora is the largest monolithic structure in the world and it is believed that the Kailas temple at Ellora has striking similarities to the Virupaksha temple of North Karnataka and it was built by 8th century Rashtrakuta king Krishna first. And next let's see the largest mosque. Jamma Masjid was built between 1650 and 1656 by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan and it is also known as Masjid 1 Jahannuma or Mosque Commanding View of the World. Next, let's see the first public zoo in India. Aringnath Anna Park is also known as Vandular Zoo. It's a zoological garden and it is in Vandular, Chennai. It was established in 1855, spread over an area of 602 hectares, that is 1490 acres. Let's see the largest museum. Indian Museum, Kolkata, and it is also referred as the Imperial Museum at Calcutta in British Indian era. Year of establishment is 1814, established by the Asiatic Society of Bengal and founder curator was Nathaniel Wallis, a Danish botanist. The longest kennel. The Indira Gandhi Kennel is the longest kennel in India and the largest irrigation project in the world. Indira Gandhi Kennel is 649 kilometers long. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.